Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Sephora account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice, or you can directly open the Sephora application if you want. You can see over here I've opened the Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in sephora.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Sephora. If you're not signed into your account, over here you'll be able to find the option for sign in. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find two options: sign in, create account. If you do not have the account yet, click on the option create account and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, click on the option sign in. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface. All you have to do is enter your email address and password over here. So first of all, enter your email address. You can see over here I've already entered it. Now after entering the email address, what you have to do is enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter your credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'd easily be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Sephora account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.